Hello everyone, before starting video, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. Welcome to Infotech Stocks channel, ASML stock, a tech titan primed for growth. Let's talk ASML people. This company is making waves in the tech world and for good reason. This Dutch company is a semiconductor giant. Founded in 1984, ASML has grown to become a critical player in the global tech ecosystem. They make the machines that make the chips. These aren't just any machines, they are the backbone of modern technology. You know, the chips that power everything from your smartphone to your car. Without ASML, many of the devices we rely on daily wouldn't exist. The question is ASML stock a buy right now? With the tech market constantly evolving, it's crucial to stay informed. Let's dive in and find out. We'll explore the factors that make ASML a compelling investment. ASML is the undisputed leader in extreme ultraviolet lithography, EUV. This cutting-edge technology sets them apart from competitors. This technology is crucial for making the most advanced chips. EUV lithography is essential for producing smaller, faster, and more efficient chips. Think artificial intelligence, 5G, and beyond. ASML's technology is at the heart of these innovations, driving the future of tech. As demand for these chips skyrockets, ASML is sitting pretty. But wait, there's more. The company's growth potential is immense. The semiconductor industry is notoriously cyclical. This means there are periods of high demand followed by slowdowns. We've seen a bit of a downturn lately. However, downturns can present unique opportunities for investors. But guess what? That could be an opportunity for savvy investors. Buying during a dip can lead to significant gains when the market rebounds. So, buckle up, because we're about to break down ASML's stock forecast, market sentiment, and more. We'll look at expert opinions and financial metrics. By the end of this, you'll have a much better idea of whether ASML deserves a spot in your portfolio. Stay tuned as we delve into the details and help you make an informed decision. ASML stock performance and predictions, a bullish outlook. Okay, let's talk numbers. ASML, a leading player in the semiconductor industry, has been making waves in the stock market. ASML has been on a tear in recent years. The company has consistently outperformed expectations, driven by its innovative technology and strong market demand. The stock price has soared, driven by strong earnings and a bright future. Investors have been thrilled with the returns, and the company's financial health looks robust. But past performance is no guarantee of future results, right? It's crucial to remember that the stock market can be unpredictable, and what goes up can also come down. That's why we need to look at the predictions. Analysts use various models and data to forecast future performance, giving us a glimpse into what might happen next. And the analysts are bullish. They believe that ASML's growth trajectory is far from over, and there's still plenty of room for the stock to climb. Some forecasts suggest ASML stock could rise by as much as 8.96% by December 2024. This projection is based on the company's strong fundamentals and market position. Now, that's not a guarantee, but it's definitely something to get excited about. If these predictions hold true, investors could see significant gains in the coming months. Here's the kicker. ASML is currently trading below that forecasted price. This means that there might be an opportunity to buy the stock at a relatively lower price before it potentially rises. That means there could be an opportunity to buy low and potentially sell high. For savvy investors, this could be a golden opportunity to capitalize on the stock's potential growth. But remember, investing always comes with risks. It's important to do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. So, is ASML a sure thing? Of course not. No investment is without its uncertainties, and it's crucial to stay informed and cautious. But the numbers are definitely pointing in the right direction. With strong earnings, positive forecasts, and a solid market position, ASML is a stock worth watching closely. Market sentiment riding the wave of optimism. Now let's talk about the mood on the street. Market sentiment is all about how investors are feeling. Are they optimistic and greedy, or are they fearful and pessimistic? Right now, the Fear and Greed Index is flashing green. That means investors are feeling confident and buying up stocks. This can create momentum and push prices higher. And guess what? ASML is riding that wave of optimism. Investors are excited about the company's prospects in the booming semiconductor market. This positive sentiment could translate into continued stock price growth. But remember, market sentiment can change quickly. It's important to stay informed and be prepared for volatility. Technical analysis. Is ASML stock undervalued? Alright, let's get technical for a minute. Technical analysis looks at charts and indicators to identify patterns and trends. It's all about trying to predict future price movements based on past data. Some technical indicators suggest that ASML stock might be undervalued. For example, the stock's price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is relatively low compared to its peers. This could mean that investors are getting a bargain. But remember, technical analysis isn't an exact science, it's just one piece of the puzzle. It's important to consider all factors before making any investment decisions. ASML's dominance in the semiconductor industry. Let's face it, ASML is the top dog in the EUV lithography market. They have a virtual monopoly, and that's a powerful position to be in. Think about it. Every chip maker that wants to produce the most advanced chips needs ASML's machines. That gives ASML incredible pricing power and a wide moat. And it's not just about EUV. ASML is also a leader in other lithography technologies. They have a diversified product portfolio that caters to a wide range of chip-making needs. In short, ASML is the gatekeeper of the semiconductor industry. And as long as the demand for chips continues to grow, ASML is in the driver's seat. The future of technology. ASML's role in a chip-driven world. We're living in a digital age. Everything is becoming smarter, faster, and more connected, and that's all thanks to semiconductors. From artificial intelligence to self-driving cars, the future of technology is being built on chips. And ASML is the company making the machines that make those chips. Think about the metaverse, for example. This immersive virtual world is going to require massive amounts of computing power. And guess what? Those computers are going to need chips, and lots of them. ASML is at the forefront of this technological revolution. They're enabling the innovations that are shaping the future, and that's a powerful position to be in. Risks and challenges. Navigating the uncertainties. Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Investing in ASML, like any investment, comes with risks that need to be carefully considered. Investing in ASML, like any investment, comes with risks. These risks can be multifaceted and complex, requiring a deep understanding of the market dynamics. One significant risk is geopolitical tensions. These tensions can arise from various international conflicts and political disagreements. ASML is a Dutch company, but its machines are used by chipmakers all over the world. This global footprint means that any geopolitical instability can have far-reaching impacts. Trade wars and political instability could disrupt ASML's business. For instance, tariffs and trade barriers can increase costs and limit market access. Another risk is competition. While ASML is the dominant player in EUV lithography, other companies are trying to catch up. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive and constantly evolving. If a competitor emerges with a superior technology, it could threaten ASML's market share. Innovation is relentless, and staying ahead requires continuous investment in research and development, and of course, there's always the risk of a global economic slowdown. Economic cycles can affect demand for technology and consequently, the demand for ASML's products. If demand for chips falls, it could hurt ASML's sales and profits. Economic downturns can lead to reduced capital expenditure by companies, impacting ASML's revenue. It's important to be aware of these risks before investing in ASML. A well-informed investor should consider these factors and weigh them against the potential rewards. The verdict is ASML a buy, so there you have it. We've covered ASML's stock performance, market sentiment, technical indicators, and more. The question is ASML a buy? The answer, my friends, is not that simple. Investing is personal. It depends on your individual financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals. But here's what I will say. ASML is a leader in a growing industry. They have a strong track record, a bright future, and the potential for significant growth. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think ASML is a buy? Let me know in the comments below.